In this tutorial, we're going to take a look at how you can cut and trim your footage in Adobe Premiere Pro. So to cut your footage, you can either move the timeline slider to where you want to cut and then press Ctrl or Command K, and now you have made a cut. You can also leave the slider where it is and take the razor tool by pressing here or selecting C on your keyboard and then just go to the point where you want to cut and then left click. And now you have also made a cut. And then if you just want to trim, you can move your timeline slider to where you want to remove something. And then now, if you want to remove the footage before your timeline slider, you can press Q. Or if you want to remove everything behind the slider, you can press W. Let me know in the comments below if you liked this video. Be sure to press the thumbs up button if you did. Press the subscribe button if you want to see more of my videos. I have new tutorials going live every week. And for now, thank you for watching my video. Stay creative, and I hope to see you in the next one.